Installed the Power User add-in for PowerPoint and noticing D3D Files in the plugin directory? These contain the enhanced design assets that supercharge your presentations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's what these add-in files do and how to manage them. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single D3D file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. D3D files are add-in resource files used by Power User, a productivity add-in for Microsoft PowerPoint and Excel. They contain 3D chart templates, diagram layouts, icon libraries, map graphics, and other enhanced design assets that the Power User plugin makes available within the Office ribbon for creating professional presentations. D3D files are add-in resource files used by Power User, a productivity add-in for Microsoft PowerPoint and Excel. They contain 3D chart templates, diagram layouts, icon libraries, map graphics, and other enhanced design assets that the Power User plugin makes available within the Office ribbon for creating professional presentations. To maintain file fidelity, use Power User developed by Power User SaaS to open D3D. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows only acknowledges the file, but actual behavior emerges only inside the supporting software. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your D3D file and choose Open With. Test Power User first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If the D3D file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the D3D file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, ensure add-in is installed. D3D files require the Power User add-in for PowerPoint or Excel to be installed and activated. Download Power User from powerusersoftwares.com and install it. The add-in creates a Power User tab in the Office ribbon. D3D resource files load automatically and populate the template and asset galleries. Next, access Power User features. Click the Power User tab in PowerPoint or Excel to access the enhanced features. Browse chart templates, diagram layouts, maps, and icon libraries that use D3D resource data. Select a template and Power User inserts the corresponding design element into your presentation or spreadsheet with customizable parameters. Finally, troubleshoot missing resources. If Power User shows empty galleries or missing templates, verify D3D files are present in the add-ins installation directory. Repair the installation through the Power User installer, or reinstall the add-in to restore all resource files. Check for software updates as new D3D asset packs may be available. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.